Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will quickly talk about IntellJ and how to add a Maven project, and we will set things up so that we can start exploring JUnit under IntellJ. So now friends, I have already added IntellJ into Windows, and how to install IntellJ and from where to download IntellJ, you can simply Google, and there are like so many articles, so many videos using which you can understand how the installation process is. You can check YouTube videos and things are very simple. Now in here, when we start with IntellJ, we have couple of options. We will go with this create new project option, and here are a couple of things. We will go with Maven option. We want Maven, and now in here there are like two Java versions installed in my system, which is Java 11 and Java 1.8. But we will go with Java 11, and we will not make use of any archetype. We will simply skip on it. Let me expand this. Just a minute. Alright, so this looks good. Let me click on next now, and we will give the group ID as org.steadyz, the usual group ID, and artifact as JUnit getting started. And we will keep the project name as it is, but we will change the location a little. I keep all of my stuff under Google Drive, secured, so let me keep things to a proper location. We will give the name as IntellJ. Now friends, you can keep the project files wherever you want. It's up to you. This is the customization I am doing for my own convenience. Alright, so everything seems to be good enough. Let me click on finish, and IntellJ will open up a window. Let me disable and close the tips, and now here is the console. Here is the window of IntellJ. Let me click on projects, and here is the project. Now friends, there is this thing. In here we have created a Maven project, but there is no pom.xml. The reason being, by default there is a missing plugin which doesn't allow us to add the pom.xml by default. If we wish to add a pom.xml right away, then we can do that by doing this. We can navigate to file, we can add a new module, and the module type would be of Maven. We will use some group ID and artifact ID. Let me use test and test for now. Let me click on next and finish. Now this is good enough. This will add the pom.xml, but this isn't a very good idea. Rather, let me give you a yet another solution. Let me delete the pom.xml, and in here we will navigate to file, settings, and plugins, and in our marketplace we will search for a plugin Maven, and we will hit enter. The internet is slow, I suppose. Here we go. So in here we have this Maven plugin. So let me install this one, and this will enable us to for example create the pom.xml right away. So whenever we would be like adding a new project into IntellJ IDEA, a new pom.xml will be added automatically. So this is a small little thing, but important thing to know. So in here we have a project, but let me quickly add a yet another new project in order to demonstrate. So we will add a new project now. This is the different project. It will again a Maven project. We will click on next. It would be like org.steadyz, but artifact ID would be different. For example, Maven test 2, and everything is good enough. Here we go. Let me click on finish. Oops, there is some kind of issue. So let me rename the name of the folder. So it would be like IntellJ, but inside this IntellJ, let me create a new folder, Maven test 2, and we will use this one. Let me click on finish. We will use a new window. Here we go. So now we have added a new project, and we can easily make out that the pom.xml has been loaded and created automatically. So this is the advantage of the plugin. And that's it for today, I suppose. And I will make some small little changes when it comes to appearance. It would be like adding a custom font, increased size in font, and I will update the editor font as well. It would be 16 rather, and it would be a little bold. Let me apply the changes. It looks much better now. Alright, so this is IntellJ, the starting up things, and in our next video we will add a new project from our existing project, and then we will start using the test cases, we will start adding the dependencies, all those of stuff. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and take care.